Hi friends, I am Tilak, you're watching TechMate Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a text box in your Microsoft Excel app. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe and below. We just quickly move on to the video. So, how to insert a text box in your Microsoft Excel mobile, I just going to show in this video. So, to insert the Excel text box on the Excel, you just do this. So, select any cell, okay? Then click on this arrow section and you will see this pop up. And here we just switch to the home section to the insert option. Now swipe to the bottom section, you can find an option called text box. Click on the text box option. Now you can see the text box has appeared, and here you can just type whatever good technology like that. And also you can just resize the text box like this, and you can just place wherever you just need it. And also you have to or have option to rotate. You can just move it, resize it, and you can just also have a home section to change the shape to change the shape size, and for an example you can just change the outline color. You can also have a fill if you just need it. You can just change the fill color also, and also the outline, and also can change the shape style like this. You can see it's like a gradient, yeah. And also go to the home section to change the text to the bold or italic and fill color. Everything can be customized like a text and shape. It's actually a merge thing. And this is how you just insert a text box on the Microsoft Excel mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from TechMate Unique. Have a wonderful day.